If you're running a DAO and need to send tokens to multiple members, doing it manually can be slow, expensive, and error-prone. In this video, I'll show you how to distribute tokens to DAO members quickly using an AI multisender. Many DAOs still send tokens one transaction at a time. This takes time, increases gas costs, and can lead to mistakes, especially as your DAO grows. A better approach is to batch transactions using a multisender. This allows you to send tokens to multiple wallets in one streamlined process. In this guide, we'll use the MyCryptoView AI multisender to distribute tokens efficiently. First, go to the AI multisender, ai.mycryptoview.com. Connect your wallet, such as MetaMask. Make sure you're on the correct network and have enough tokens for distribution. Select the BNB chain network. You can also use other EVM networks supported by MetaMask. Switch to token mode by typing Send Token. Alternatively, you can select this after uploading your address list. Upload your DAO member wallet list using a CSV or XLSX file. You can also paste addresses manually, along with token amounts. If you're sending the same amount to everyone, you don't need to format amounts manually. Just type something like send 0.001 tokens. Then upload your addresses. This is the fastest way to distribute tokens in bulk. Choose the token you want to distribute. Make sure your wallet has enough balance. Approve the required token amount in your wallet. This allows the multisender to process the transactions. Click Continue to confirm to proceed. Choose how you want transactions handled. You can stop on the first failure or continue and retry failed transactions. Then start the distribution process. Using a multisender helps DAOs save time, reduce errors, and scale token distributions efficiently. Instead of sending transactions one by one, everything is handled in a streamlined process. This is ideal for contributor payments, community rewards, airdrops, governance incentives. And that's how DAOs can distribute tokens to members efficiently. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more crypto tutorials. You can find the AI multisender link in the description